Hello students, my name is Askar Khan and I'm here to help you out in understanding the concepts of this lesson. And I'm sure by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the concepts of this lesson. And please do subscribe to this channel, Wisdom Outline, and click the like button. And I would love to hear the comments from you, which you can write in the comment section below. And do share this channel with one and all. So happy learning. Welcome to the lesson. Hello everybody. Welcome to this lesson of solving multi-step equations. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve multi-step equations in one variables. So let's get into the lesson and understand the concepts. Before we even get into solving equations, let us first understand certain basic concepts that are required to solve the problems of this lesson. What are they? The first thing is, let's understand what are like terms. What are like terms? Terms which have the same variable with the same power are called like terms. For example, 2x is one term, 8x is another term. Now look at these variables. The variable is the same, x, and what is the power? If there is no power written over the variable, the power is 1. So since the variables are same, having the same powers, they are called like terms. Let's look at another example. 8x squared minus 9x squared. Are they like terms? Yes, because they have the same variable with the same power. Let's take another example. Negative 5y squared x to the power 3 and 2y squared x to the power 3. Are they like terms? Yes, because they have the same variable with the same power. Now what are unlike terms? Unlike terms are of course terms with different variables or with different powers. For example, 2x and 3x squared. Although the variable is the same, the powers are different. So they are unlike terms. Now we know the idea. What are like terms? Same variables with the same powers. Now only like terms can be added and subtracted. You can add or subtract only the like terms, not the unlike terms. Now with this understanding of like terms, let's get into solving the problems. Let's try this. Combining like terms. What is the solution of 5 is equal to 5m minus 23 plus 2m? First step, look at the like terms. Are there any like terms over here? We have 5m and plus 2m. Are they like terms? They are, because they have the same variable with the same power. So let us add the like terms together. How does our equation look like? 5 is equal to, now 5m plus 2m is going to be 7m. 7m minus 23. Now from here it's pretty easy to proceed. How will I remove minus 23? I will add 23 on both sides, so that this cancels and we are left with 23 plus 5 is 28 is equal to 7m. Now how will I remove 7 that is multiplied by m? We learnt it in the previous lesson. You remove multiplication by division. So divide by 7 on both sides. So what happens? 7 and 7 cancels over here. You're left with m is equal to 28 divided by 7 is 4. So, this is the solution of the equation. So, look for like terms and combine them. Let's see whether you have got it or not. So, what is the solution of each equation? 11m minus 8 minus 6m is equal to 22. So, are there any like terms? Yes, 11m and minus 6m are like terms. Can we combine them? 11 minus 6 is 5. So, 5m minus 8 is equal to 22. Now, how will I remove minus 8? Add 8 on both sides. So, what does this become? 5m is equal to 22 plus 8, 30. How will I remove the 5? Divide by 5 on both sides. What happens? M is equal to 30 divided by 5 is 6. This is the solution of the equation. Great. Let's look at this. Minus 2y plus 5 plus 5y is equal to 14. Are there any like terms? Minus 2y and plus 5y are the like terms. Can we combine them? Yes. Minus 2y plus 5y is how much? Minus 2 plus 5 is 3y. So, we have 3y plus 5, this 5 as it is equal to 14. Now, how will I remove the plus 5? The minus 5 on both sides. So, what are we left with? 3y is equal to 14 minus 5 is 9. How will I remove the 3? We divide by 3 on both sides. And what are we left with? Y is equal to 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, this is the solution of the equation. Great going. Let's try a word problem. Let's try this problem. Martha takes her niece and nephew to a concert. She buys t-shirts and bumper stickers for them. The bumper stickers cost $1 each. So, the cost of one bumper sticker is $1. Martha's niece wants one shirt and 4 bumper stickers. So, how many does the niece want? She wants one shirt and 4 bumper stickers. And her nephew wants 2 shirts but no bumper stickers. The nephew wants 2 shirts and no bumper stickers. If Martha's total is $67, what is the cost of one shirt? So, let's do this. Let S be the cost of one shirt. Let S be the cost of one shirt. Now, regarding the niece, what does she want? She wants one shirt and 4 bumper stickers. So, she wants one shirt and 4 bumper stickers. That is what her niece wants. And what does the nephew want? He wants 2 shirts and no bumper stickers. So, Martha will buy 2 shirts for the nephew, the cost of 2 shirts. The total she is going to pay is $67. So, we have represented the whole problem into an equation. Now, solve it. Are there any like terms? Yes, S and 4S. Can we add them? 2S plus S is 3S. 3S plus 4 is equal to 67. How will I remove the 4? Minus 4 on both sides. So, what are we left with? 3S is equal to 67 minus 4 is 63. How will I remove the 3? divide by 3 on both sides. So the cost of one shirt is going to be 63 divided by 3 is $21. So the cost of one shirt is $21. Get the point how you do this? Great going. Let's try few more problems. Let's try this using distributive property. What is the solution of minus 8 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 36? The first and the foremost thing, we have learned distributive property, how to open the brackets. So minus 8 times 2x is how much? It's going to be minus 16x. Then you multiply minus 8 times minus 1. Minus times minus is plus. 8 times 1 is 8. We are opening the brackets by multiplying the term outside with every term inside the bracket is equal to 36. Now, how will I remove the plus 8? Of course, minus 8 on both sides. So, what do we get? Minus 16x is equal to 36 minus 8 is 28. How will I remove the minus 16? Divide by minus 16 on both sides. So, we are left with x is equal to 28 divided by negative 16 is negative 7 over 4. This is the answer. Great going. Let's try another one. What is the solution of 18 is equal to 3 times 2x minus 6? So use the distribution property. Let's write down the equation. 18 is equal to 3 times 2x minus 6. Now open the brackets. 18 is equal to 3 times 2x is how much? 6x. Then 3 times minus 6 is minus 6 times 3, 18. Now how will I remove the minus 18? Add 18 on both sides. So what do we get? 18 plus 18, 36. So 36 is equal to 6x. How will I remove the 6? Divide by 6 on both sides. And x is equal to 36 divided by 6 is 6. This is the solution of the equation. Great going. Let's try this. Solving an equation that contains fractions. Of course, you have learned how to add and subtract fractions in your lower grades. What is the solution of 3x over 4 minus x over 3 is equal to 10? So let's write down the fraction once again. 3x over 4 minus x over 3 is equal to 10. Now we can add or subtract fractions only if the denominators are same. But in this case, we do not have the denominators same. So we need to make the denominators same. How would you make these two denominators same? If you observe over here, of course, by taking LCM, but this is pretty simple. I multiply this with 3 and I multiply this with 4. So what do my denominators become? They become 12. And now my new fraction will look like 3x times x is 9x over 12 minus x times 4 is 4x over 12 equals to 10. Now my denominators are same. So I can subtract the numerators because they are like terms. So 9x minus 4x is 5x over 12 is equal to 10. We already learned how to remove a fraction if it's multiplied by a variable. I'll multiply both sides by its reciprocal. So on both sides I can multiply by 12 over 5, 12 over 5. So what happens? 12 and this cancels. We are left with x is equal to 10 times 12 divided by 5. It's 10 times 12 divided by 5. If you see the simplification over here, 10 and 5, both these numbers can be divided by 5. So I can use 5's table. 5 1 times is 5, 5 2 times is 10. So x is equal to 2 times 12 is 24. So this is the solution of the equation. Let's try few more over here. What is the solution of each equation? 2b over 5 plus 3b over 4 is equal to 3. So let's rewrite this for our convenience. 2b over 5 plus 3b over 4 is equal to 3. Now, are the denominators same? They are not. So we have to make them same in order to add the numerators. How do we make the denominators same? If I multiply this fraction with 4 and I multiply this fraction with 5, both the denominators will become 20 and our new fractions will look like 2b times 4 is 8b. So 8b over 20 plus 3b times 5 is 15b. 15b over 20 is equal to 3. Now since the denominators are same, we can add the numerators because they are like terms. So 8b plus 15b is how much? It's 23b. So 23b over 20 is equal to 3. Now how will I remove 23 over 20? I multiply by the reciprocal of it, which is going to be 20 over 23. 20 over 23. I cancel them. I am left with b is equal to 3 times 20 over 23. And that is going to be b is equal to 60 over 23. If you want, you can give it as a mixed fraction. So this is how you do fractions. Let's try one more. Let's solve this equation. 1 over 9 is equal to 5 over 6 minus m over 3. So if you observe over here, let me put all the like terms on one side of the equation. So I will move 5 over 6 on this side of the equation. What will it become? It will become 1 over 9 minus 5 over 6 is equal to minus m over 3. Now if I have to add these or subtract this fraction, I need to make the denominator same. How will I make the denominator same? I multiply this with 2 and this with 3 so that the denominator becomes 18. So my new fraction is going to be 2 over 18 minus 15 over 18 is equal to minus m over 3. Now since the denominators are the same, I can subtract the numerators. 2 minus 15 is minus 13 over 18 is equal to minus m over 3. Now I want to remove the 3 that is in the denominator of m. I multiply by 3 on both sides. Of course this is in the bracket. So that this 3 cancels with this 3 and we are left with, over here we can simplify this. We are left with 3 times negative 13 over 18 is equal to negative m. So see what numbers can simplify. Which number can divide 3 and 18? I can use 3. So 3 1 times is 3, 3 6 times is 18. So now my new fraction is negative 13 over 6 equals negative m. I can divide both sides by negative 1 in order to get rid of the negative sign. So it's going to be m is equal to positive 13 over 6. This is the answer. So wonderful work. This is how you solve problems with fractions, with like terms, and you combine the like terms. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel Wisdom Outlined, and also my self-help channel Principles Outlined. Keep going, put in your hard work. Always remember, the results you get will be in proportion to the hard work that you put in. So thank you once again. This is my math channel Wisdom Outlined. Please subscribe to this channel and click the like button. This is my self-help channel Principles Outlined. Do subscribe to this channel and also click the like button, and do watch them and share it with one and all. I offer math tutoring classes for students who want to understand math. This is my telephone number 00966 507 081702. So welcome to the coaching of Wisdom Outline, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.